Wow. You did that, Rokael.
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some up on the front seat.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today, I am showing you guys my new favorite lashes. I was in such a rush when I originally filmed this video that I forgot to do an intro, but don't worry. This look, I did film it, so I will either link it above in the cards if this video is not up before that tutorial, and if it does come after, I'll just remember to come back, insert this video for this actual look, and I will have it linked down below in the description bar. So make sure you guys are opening up the description bar because I always list my products and just other videos that you guys may be interested in the description box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So the star of the show, I know I've already done a little introduction or whatever, but I cannot wait. These are the Rokael Beauty lashes. They were $15. These are the Solar Flare lashes. And y'all know I'm a wispy girl. It's very rare that y'all will ever see a different type of lash on this channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through the skin process. While I might not be showing y'all all the products that I'm using to do my face, as always, make sure you guys are actually opening up the description box down below because every single product that I use is always going to be in that description box, whether you guys hear me say that that's what I'm using or not.
When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my
Alright, so now that complexion is done, I am going to go ahead and put my mold on my face. Y'all know the drill. Whenever there is a breakout, you must camouflage and give the Tamara Mori mold. So I am going to just let that sit, let that dry down on the doll's face. Mugshot eyeshadow is that girl. Like, I've seen many others try, but nothing can compare to Mugshot. I'm gonna take that same Mugshot shade, sweep it under the lower lash line. Because I don't know how these lashes are gonna work with me, I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on there, just enough to really coat them. And we will get on to the star of the show. So for the star of the show, I am going to be popping on my Rokael Beauty lashes. They are in the name Solar Flare. That way I can make sure that I'm not messing up the lashes. You always want to make sure that you slide the lash down from the outer side and peel inward. I don't know if you guys can see like the end of these lashes, how there's like a little clear piece here that needs to be cut off so it's not poking me in the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and start by cutting those off. So y'all see how I'm like right at this corner? I'm just going to take my scissors and just chunk that little corner right there. It looks like they fit perfect. Now what I like to do is kind of like wiggle my little lash around, because you know, your lashes don't really be shaped the way you need them to be shaped. My trick is always to have a mirror and to look down in it so you can get as close to your lash line as possible. So I'll pop it on there in the center, and then I take some like actual tweezers and adjust the lash to where I want the lash to be at, to pull this right on over here. And I'm gonna attach that inner corner as well. Slide this a little bit more on the outside. Oh my God, this lash is so freaking pretty. And it's giving me exactly what I knew it was going to give, Rokael. It comes down to lashes, especially like a nice mink lash. Y'all know I stick to my very simple, just hair store lashes, because I feel like the mink lashes are way too heavy for my eyelid. Like I just can't. And literally putting this lash on, like obviously, once I put some mascara on and kind of like adjust the lash completely in place, it'll feel fine. But this lash feels so just soft. It looks good. It doesn't look too overbearing. Obviously you guys see I didn't really do too much with the eyeshadow because I wanted the lash to be the star of the show, and it feels so good. I'm sorry I'm not looking in the camera because I'm literally looking at myself in the mirror, but like, wow. Literally, I'm just gonna go under and marry my lashes with the lash. Oh my God, I just cannot believe Rokael. Let me finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, blend in my fake mole, put my lip gloss on, and we will be back, sis. So I am back with my final thoughts on my Rokael Beauty lashes, y'all. It could also be because I've been just like in chill mode all week, but like these lashes, Rokael, you snap. Like, bruh, like these are like the part, like when I tell you a good everyday wispy lash is so hard to come across, especially one that's like full but not heavy. I don't feel these lashes on my eye. Rokael, not only are these lashes beautiful, they're affordable, they fit perfect. Like literally, if my eye was just maybe a little bit bigger, I wouldn't have had to cut the lash at all. The wisp is like just perfect. And they look good, and they look good without looking like, ugh, she got spiders on her eyes. Like, I don't like that look when it comes down to lashes. Like, people know when they come to me, you're getting a very subtle lash look. I don't do the broomstick lashes at all, not on me, not on my clients. And Rokael, like, you literally just like, I'm speechless, kind of. Like, I don't really know what to say other than like, wow, like I look good as fuck. These lashes are just, they're everything. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these Rokael Beauty lashes, I will have all the information down below in the description box. Make sure you guys are following Rokael if you aren't already. Make sure you guys definitely sign up for whatever newsletters he may have to let you know when certain lashes are back in stock. And definitely purchase his lashes. Like the solar flares, I'm sold. Like between this and my #1 that I get from the hair store, like these are gonna be my new everyday lashes. I'm literally about to go on the website right now, order more so I can have some on back stock. But y'all, these lashes, they are beautiful. Like, wow. And the lash is just, it's full. I like that the lash band is just clear. Like, y'all, I will be here all day bragging on these lashes. I'm gonna let you guys go. If you guys like these types of videos where I'm doing more first impressions on small businesses, definitely let me know and I can get more of these filmed for you all. But I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.